So check this out, this is Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX. Now today Roblox was manhandled by the markets, thrashed around like a ragdoll, down 7% at close. Now I own no shares of Roblox. What I did do was enter put options on this stock with a team over the Discord last week. So because Roblox moved like this today, our put options are printing for us ferociously. Check this, up 50% on the day, and I don't believe it stops there. More to come as we go through the rest of the quarter. There's a sweet science to options, and I believe it's the best way to hit wins in this current market that we are in. And yes, if you are in the UK, you could trade options easily using interactive brokers. That being said, if you want to get up on the plays and the moves that we make, like this put option that we made on Roblox, make sure you guys hit that top link in this video description to tap into our Discord. I look forward to seeing you over there. Alright guys, I've been getting very active in these markets, but particularly on the option side of things because of the flexibility and strategy that it allows you. You're not just limited to a one directional strategy like you are with going ahead and buying stocks. That being said, I'm keeping a very close eye on stocks right now, and what I am seeing is a lot of companies and a lot of different industries, their stock prices are doing what I call price discovery. So finding new supports, finding new channels to move in. Just take a look at the tech space, it'll show you exactly what I mean. Now when I see those patterns, I'm pretty much hands off right now until I believe the time is right to go ahead and pull the trigger. However, that being said, I did buy into a pocket of the market today that I want to share with you. These guys, they're performing very well, looking strong, and I'm expecting a good close to this year. So let's talk about it. So we've got ticker symbol GS, that's Goldman Sachs. Now stick with me on this one because this is one of the best in class financial plays that's out there in the market. Decades of experience behind it. During that time, they built networks with some of the world's most leading companies as clients. Now I believe if you're out there in the markets buying stocks right now, the move is to stick to your long-term plays. These are going to be stocks that you want to be invested into for a number of years. That's because the market is still choppy right now, still volatile. Stocks could still come down further. So if you go ahead and buy into a stock, drops down further, you want to be happy to buy at a lower price point and know you're getting an even better value. Now Goldman Sachs has been one of the backbones for my portfolio for a long time now. That's why I continue to build and accumulate over time. Why? They've got an outstanding track record of outperformance, but also operating at great valuation compared to the rest of the financial plays. So this will, one, give it some cushion during volatile times, but also give it room for upside moving forward. Now I'm going to put you guys on some games, so check this. Stocks in the same industry as the play that you are in can tell you a hell of a lot of information, give you the early heads up. Now, we're going through earnings season. The banks are about to step on center stage next week, start delivering their numbers for what they've been doing over the last 3 months. Now, Jefferies, ticker symbol JEF, is another financial play, but they went first, delivered their earnings. Now check out the headlines. Jefferies beats on Q3 earnings and revenues, stock is up. Jefferies gains on record M&A deals, nearly doubles earnings. So what this is telling you is the strength within the industry is very strong right now. Okay, things are firing on all cylinders, so that is boding very well for Goldman Sachs and some of these other financial plays next week when they start reporting their numbers. Now check out the Jefferies stock price since then. Look at the strength over the week, over the month. Okay, so it's telling you guys a lot of things, and that is despite, you know, the SPY coming down, breaking key barriers, technical support dropping lower, bringing the entire market with it. But Jefferies has still held up firm, and so have the other financial plays. Now, I believe the reason for this is what the market is doing is appreciating the fact that the financial plays are not being hampered down by a lot of the inflationary issues that are affecting many other companies in the stock market right now. Okay, it doesn't really apply to their business models. They can continue and go along, continue performing great numbers, continue delivering great guidance for the next quarter and the quarter after that. And also in an inflationary environment, in an interest rate increase environment, these companies are going to be winners. Now have a look at this. So Jefferies, that's ticker symbol JEF, standing $38, is hovering at a 52-week high right now. Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC, at $44, is at 52-week high levels right now. Wells Fargo at 48 is hovering very close to 52-week high levels. JP Morgan at 168 again is at 52-week high levels. Now if we just backtrack, go back to Goldman Sachs, and you guys will see that this is 8% off their high right now, okay? So they're currently lagging the peers in terms of stock price performance, and really there's no reason why they should be lagging. They should too also be at 52-week high levels, given the strength of the entire industry right now. Now this reminds me of a move that we pulled last week, all right? So we got into ticker symbol BTU, that's Peabody, a coal producer over at the Discord. We got into them on a call option play because they were lagging their peer, that's Arch, ticker symbol ARCH. Now what happened was Peabody then caught up to Arch, right? They started to move up 20%, 25% in the week, making that ground, and as a result we made 100% on that call option, also made 200% on Arch. So you're going to see this type of movement from time to time where a peer is going to lack the rest of the market, and that's a golden opportunity to snap up the play if there's no reason why they should be down. And right now, there's no reason why Goldman Sachs should be lagging its peers. As I say, they should be hovering at 52-week high levels. So they should be over 400 right now, 410, 415 types of levels. But right now, they're standing in the high 300s. Collectively, that's why I had to go ahead and grab another position. So check this out. This time we got ticker symbol GS2, that's 2x Goldman Sachs. Now this is a leveraged position on the underlying Goldman Sachs stock. So if the Goldman Sachs stock was to move up around 2%, this would move up around 4%. The Goldman Sachs stock was to move up 4%, this would move up around 8%. So what you're doing in effect is taking a slow moving stock and turning it into a momentum play, into a more accelerated play. Now different brokers offer you leverage positions, so if you're interested in that, just do a little bit of digging out there, find the ones that offer it to allow you to add this to your toolkit, say, to get those accelerated returns in the market. Now this is one I've used on repeat over the last year, and I'm loving entry at these levels. Last leverage position I put you guys on was the short triple leverage position on Facebook that moved up 15% in yesterday's session. So you can see how quickly these things can move once they start catching that flame. Now, before I go ahead and bounce out of here, I want you guys to take a look at this with me because we are forming what we call a double bottom. This is a technical chart pattern, giving an early indication. We might see a trend reversal to the upside, okay? So from August, we saw this one cooling off, sliding down till they hit an area of support around that $375 mark. Then we saw a little bit of a push up, and then they retested that support of 375 not too long ago before making a slight increase, okay? Basically just forming that W shape. We call that the double bottom. Again, gives an early indication. We might see a trend reversal to the upside. The stars are really aligning for this play, whether it's from the fundamentals or whether it's from the technicals. That's why I had to go ahead today and add to my already existing established position in this one. Alright guys, so if you've got any questions for me, drop them down below and I'll get back to you. On your way out, make sure you guys like that comment section for me. If you're new, join the movement, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.